Hello, friends, architects, engineers, consultants, and students of MEP. Once again into VK Jansarki classes. Welcome. In this particular module, we shall be dealing with variable refrigerant flow type air conditioning system. Friends, first let me take up window type AC unit. A isometric view of window type AC unit is shown here. Uh, this has four different components: the compressor, the outside condensing unit, the inside evaporative unit, and compressor. This air conditioning unit has the front grill and thermostat sensor. This indoor unit, evaporative unit, is provided with a filter and evaporative coil. Then comes condenser, the compressor, and from compressor we move on to condenser unit, which is provided in the exterior portion of the window air conditioner. We have two type of air flows here, one through this internal through front grill internal air circulation, and second is from this condensing coil to exterior portion. These both are affected through blower and fan. Blower for inside air circulation and exhaust fan for external circulation. Both are mounted on the same shaft. Friends, in both the cases, that is window and split AC system, we have six control units, six units component. The first one is compressor, second is compressor for increasing the energy in the system uh, by way of compressing and increasing the pressure and temperature both. Second one is the expansion valve, which is just opposite of compressor, where the pressure is reduced. Then a hot coil on the outside. In case of window, it is external, mounted external. A chilled coil or evaporator coil, which is mounted inside. There are two fans, one fan for circulating air inside and another fan for cooling the condensing unit, both mounted on the same shaft. And of course, a control unit has to be there. Friends, we have two type of split systems. The first one is one to one, in which case there is only one indoor unit connected with one outdoor unit. But there is another system which is known as one to many split systems, in which case there is only one outdoor unit connected to a number of inside window units, inside units, split units. Friends, in this picture, I have shown different type of uh, split units. Uh, the first one is wall mounted type, another is which is mounted on wall at a height, second which is placed on a floor known as floor mounted, and this third and fourth are ceiling mounted and of four-way cassette type or two-way cassette type. And there is one more which is known as ducted ceiling type unit, which which gives which deals with 17.5 tons of split unit. This is the detailed diagram of one to many split unit. In this case, there is one condensing unit, there is one compressor and one expansion unit. But indoor units are split to many, one, two, three here. So this is one outside unit to many inside unit type of system. Friends, there is one more unit which is known as heat pump, which is a combined and reversible summer and winter cycle unit combined. So in this case, outdoor unit is here, and in winter, outdoor unit is here, and it is connected with the indoor unit, many indoor units. In summer, the function reverses. The unit is outside unit is the same, but indoor units are um, for summer dealing. This shows cooling cycle of heat pump system and of window type AC. So there are two coils, and the function is reversed through this switch. This is known as reversing valve in position, dealing with the cooling mode. So you can always start from compressor when it is placed for cooling. It comes to condenser winding, and from there it comes to indoor coil unit inside your house or evaporating type of unit. Thus, the same thing shown during winter heating cycle. The operation is reversed through the reversing valve. So from compressor you are coming to indoor coil, which is getting air is getting circulated through blower fan, and then after having expansion it comes to outdoor coil. Friends, in this diagram both the operations are shown here, operations of the heat pump in cooling mode and heating mode. Friends, in the campus or residential unit which is safe, the split outdoor split unit are placed just on the ground, but on foundation, keeping in view that flood water does not come here, and this outdoor coil getting power as well as the refrigerant through one pipe. Friends, this shows the installation of a outdoor unit on the roof. Roof may be on just first floor. Friends, this shows the electrical wiring through electrical panel for control and power wiring of a split air conditioning system. Friend, this is isometric schematic in which one outdoor air-cooled type condensing unit is shown and which is connected to a number of internal cassette type of units, evaporator units. Friends, this is a diagram which shows the connection between outdoor unit and several indoor units of different type. Although here they have shown only uh, cassette type of units, indoor units. You need to have a remote controller, wire type indoor controller, wire remote wire remote controller, and central remote controller through PC. Thanks for silently observing my presentation.